All right, good morning. Welcome to PAPA 7, Chemical and Biological Operations. My name is Sergeant Harrington. I'll be reading you your task conditions and standards for this lane. Also, I'll going over each procedure step for this lane. So your task, you will assume mission-oriented protected posture, MOP level 3. Decontaminate your skin and equipment, assume MOP level 4. Condition, you are a member of a platoon within a secure forward operating base. You are in MOP level 2 when you suspect a chemical biological attack. Standard, don, clear, and seal the mask within 9 seconds. Perform all remaining tasks to standard in sequence within 1 minute. To start off this lane, you will assume MOP level 3. Step 1, you will don the mask assembly. You will stop breathing and close eyes. Remove helmet, put helmet between legs, above knees, or hold rifle between legs and place helmet on the muzzle. If the helmet falls, continue to mask. You'll take off glasses and place in helmet if applicable. You will open the mask carrier with non-firing hand. This is where your 9-second time standard starts. You will grasp the mask assembly with firing hand and remove it from the carrier. Place chin in the chin pocket and press the face piece tight against face and hold the mask assembly tightly against face. You will grasp the harness tab, pull the harness over and down the head as far as possible. Ensure the head harness is centered on the crown of the head and the temple straps are approximately parallel to the ground. You will grasp the loose end of the cheek straps one at a time and pull until the strap feels tight. For step 2, you will clear your mask assembly. You will seal the outlet disc valve by placing one hand over the outlet valve cover assembly. You will blow out hard to ensure that any contaminated air is forced out around the edges of the facepiece. For step 3, you will seal your mask assembly. You will cover both filter inlet ports with the palms of your hands and breathe in. Ensure mask assembly collapse against the face. Resume breathing, and this is where your 9-second time standard will stop. So for test A, for your 9-second time standard to stop, when you resume breathing, you need to give us a verbal indicator that you are in fact breathing under the mask.
Breathing.
And that will stop our 9-second time. So for the next part, your 1-minute time standard will begin. For step 4, you will give the alarm, you will shout gas, 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 and you will give the appropriate hand and arm signal per unit SOP.
Gas, gas, gas.
For step 5, you will close your mask carrier. And this is where your 1-minute time standard stops. So for test A, if we are all testing out in this JS list, you can go ahead and cross out step 6 on your EIB book because that will not apply to you. For the second iteration of this lane, your 5-minute time standard will begin. You will assume MOP level 4. Step 1, you will seek overhead cover or use a poncho for protection against further contamination and put your helmet down. For test A in the testing area, you will be under a camo net. You need to give us a visual indicator that you are in fact seeking for overhead cover. When it says to put your helmet down, in the first steps, if your helmet stayed on the muzzle of your rifle, take the time and set your helmet down. For step 2, you will decontaminate your hands, face, and the inside of your mask. Remove one RSDL packet from your carrying pouch. For test A on the little shelf, you will be provided with a pack of baby wipes. This will be your applicator pad that you will use to decontaminate your skin. You will remove the applicator pad from the packet, and you will thoroughly scrub the skin of your hand, palm, and fingers with the applicator pad. You will switch the applicator pad to the other hand and repeat the procedure. You will stop breathing, close eyes, and grasp mask beneath chin and pull mask away from chin enough to allow one hand between the mask and your face, and you will hold the mask in this position. You will thoroughly scrub the exposed skin of your face with the lotion from the applicator pad. You will thoroughly scrub across your forehead, beginning at one side. Scrub up and down across your cheeks, nose, chin, and closed mouth, and avoid ingesting. You will scrub under the chin from the ear along the jawbone to the other ear to coat your skin with lotion. You will turn your hand over and scrub the inside surfaces of the mask that may touch your skin. Be sure to include the drinking tube, and then you will keep the applicator. You will seal your mask immediately, clear it, and check it. You will then use the applicator and any remaining lotion in the packet without breaking the mask seal. Scrub the applicator pad across the forehead, exposed scalp, the skin of the neck, ears, and throat. You will then secure and tighten the hood. Next, you will thoroughly scrub your hands with the lotion again as in the steps above. Then you will assume MOP level 4 by putting on the protective gloves and fasten your Velcro. Now you will decontaminate your equipment using the M295. You will open the M295 at either end where the kit is notched. You will remove the individual wipe from the packet and unfold it completely. Now you will decontaminate all contaminated individual equipment by wiping the surface using sweeping motions away from the body. Take care not to spread contamination to any area that has been visually determined clean. Once you are complete, you will dispose of contaminated waste material per unit SOP and local and federal regulations. This is where your 5-minute time standard will stop. So for test day, you have 2 trash bags in front of you. You'll have a white trash bag, you'll dispose of your baby wipe. You'll have a black trash bag, you'll dispose of your M259 kit. And at that's when your time will stop and you will be complete.